a new tutorial about how to install AMPS server. I'm sorry, I'm not good at English and I don't know how to say it. Fine. So over here, going over here. See, we're connecting. First of all, we're going to type AMPS download in Google or any search engine. Download AMPS.com. Make sure to download it from the official sites. Download future kernel version 7.0.6 PHP. We go to php.net to check out the version. Server.1 alpha, that means it's truly fine with 7.0.6 per Python. Oh, that's good. Python. MongoDB. Well, that's fine. Download. We're going to download the apps for Windows. I'm not using Mac OS X or Linux. I will be making another tutorial later about how to install it under Linux. Now, first of all, we're going to install package tip. We're going to download the install package tip. If you are running Windows 10, Windows with Windows 7 or Windows Vista, you can download and then install the package by clicking on the button download below Windows Server. That means we're going to download this one. Give it. Click. And then we're going to start our download. Well, I'm not going to download it because I already have it, so make sure guys to download it correctly. We start our installation. Yes, give it administration permission. Let's wait a little. Give it a little wait. And then we're starting our installation. Next, of course, accept the agreement. Please read the following license agreements. Important of end user license agreement. Blah 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 blah. Okay. Is the state of Apache PHP MySQL Perl and Python. I didn't try Perl and Python. I already tried MySQL, Apache, PHP and Apache. Let's see what we could say. I'm not interested in all this. I like to create my own frameworks and scripts. So we're going next. Make sure to give it your program files or your destination. If you want to change it, you can. There is no problem on this. Setup will be created tabs. Okay. Created desktop, quick launch. Start submit. Yes. Okay. And then we go. Guys, truly make sure to don't change the window. Let the window of apps setup active so that the apps setup will be correct. I don't know why this happens, but I've already tried. we got here. Okay, my SQL server got here. Okay, let's see. That's good. Okay guys, we're going to use this local server in our next tutorial of PHP, HTML, CSS and or with JavaScript. I like to use JavaScript. Truly I like to use JavaScript. It's big programming language. I can use it in software and I can use it also in web scripts. I'm not speaking about Java, I'm speaking about JavaScript. There is difference between Java and JavaScript. Make sure to confirm this. I'm going to say this again. I'm sorry, I'm not good at English, guys. Well, to give you a show, I'm using this voxel voice changer to change my voice, and I will add it to the video later. There is a tutorial about how to install it, and well, now completing the AMP setup wizard. Guys, make sure to check the launch apps button and then finish. Don't launch it later. Launch it in the time of installation, when the installation finished on public. No, I want it to be private. Just me. Private, I don't want to public. Just me. I don't have someone to share with it my files, even at home. What we got? There is an update available. Do you want? No, I don't want. I'm good like this. Apache started my SQL search. Let's test it. Lost. That's good. Now he's raining. Good. However, we're going, guys, to add our security to the apps server. So make sure, guys, to remember what you're going to add to the password. You must set password, of course. Do you want to be secret? Yes. Set password. Well, what will I choose? Okay. That's fine. Password. Then we're going back to home. Change my SQL password. My SQL old password and give it a new password. Let's see this. That's fine. Yes. That's a fine. Go back to security. No, change setup. PHP Manhattan is accessible when it's work without set the config autoclick or to HTTP or cookies in the config in PHP. Let's set our security. Amps PHP Manhattan. What is the name of config for PHP? Now open with, I'm going to choose civil text or authentication tip. tip. Auto tip. And now we're going to add HTTP, or you can also add the cookies like what is it over here. Now we save our file, go back over here, read out the page. That's fine. Let's try onto our PHP my admin. Right. So the username is root and the password is just the password you added to MySQL. There we go. Nice. Fine. Let's see what we got in JavaScript. JavaScript, your site and starts on the word-based JavaScript. Let's play with demo. No, I don't want this. Code is quality. PHP. Well, that's a nice. This is a nice style. I love it. Nice, good style. Oops. Well, guys, this is all about today. See you next time in another tutorial, the first tutorial of PHP.